Hi. Okay. So, Manny just got these in the mail, and this is... No, it's right here. So, he thought he ordered 2, but just 1. It's this sticker here, Masmora. And it's a game. It's like similar to like Dungeons and Dragons in a sort of way where you have to build your map. And we're gonna open it because like these are huge boxes. And he literally, you just got these today, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So.
I got the email yesterday, got them today.
Yeah.
Okay, right off the bat, this is all the bonus shit, probably.
Bonus stuff.
I don't know for sure. Okay.
And more. That ice set.
That's the monster base set. This is Luke the Lucky. And this is in support of Watch It Played, which is a YouTube channel. It's pretty good. They show how you play games. This is the promo days. Now, people were stating that they got some bad prints on some of their dice because of, and they're blurry. I'm just gonna
I got laundry going.
Check these dice right now immediately.
Yeah. No, hold on.
They look pretty good right there, though. I want to check all the settings.
But as Manny said, we gotta check them because just as he said. Here you go. These are discs.
I checked my review. I didn't click this.
No.
No, but
Here,
I'm glad I got that anyway.
These are plastic token pack, hun.
Yeah, I didn't order that. I'm glad I got it. I could have. I don't know. I'm so confused. They have a different setup than what I put.
Sorry, the glare of my computer screen is on these things.
These dice are beautiful. They're so chunky and they're big. And they have these. I'm checking all of them right now to make sure, like, they don't have any weird sides.
Yeah.
So there's the monster. There's an example of one. Pretty cool.
Well, that's it. That's what the cardboard said on it, right? It said a monster dice.
Yeah, but some people had bad prints on there, so they said everyone said check all your dice. And I'm watching people list. So I gotta check all of them in case those are bad. They look beautiful. I love the way they look. Yeah, I wouldn't want to throw these at each other. I'd still want to roll it on something like felt.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, now we have those mats already for the other game. We can use that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try
not to bash them into each other too much. I'm gonna try to keep it going with them. I don't know how tough these are. People are saying they're tough.
Yeah.
And I'm just making sure all the sides are printed. These gray ones. That's what they mean. There's a little bit of a blur with that one. Do you see it? It's not as detailed.
You mean as sharp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see what they mean. That one's like 6 tall. That's what they mean. Some people said they're so bad.
That one?
But I'm sure it's just a small number of people. These are looking all okay.
You can't really tell, but I tried. But this one is like blurry compared to like the rest of them on here.
Not much.
Just a tiny bit.
It's tolerable. Some people were saying they're like horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to bang these dice too hard into each other. I can see this stuff wearing down over time. Like how crazy they're like shaking the bags. I wouldn't want to do that. Just give it a quick little shake. That's it. Those all look good. That's the promo dice. That's something you can't even buy. You got this for like. Oh my thing! It doesn't even say that. Maybe I did get 2
Plastic
copies.
token pack. Yeah.
Maybe I did get 2 copies.
You just might.
But I checked I reviewed my thing and I'm just like, these look so much better than paper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're actually plastic.
Yeah.
Look at the boobs on that one.
That's the game we got there.
Okay. We got this mysterious box.
This is gonna be all the bonus characters you only got through Kickstarter. That is.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We've got
chests and coins.
More monster dice.
Yeah. Let me see those ones. Again,
those might be the ones that they were talking about.
Yeah.
Some coins. Some money.
Oh, they look pretty good. I don't see. I was all worried that maybe I was gonna get like one, like possibly die of like the horrible thing, but I just looked at all these and they look great.
These ones are fine.
Oh man.
I don't know what these ones are.
Those themes, apparently you're not supposed to stick all the dice in the bag. Those are supposed to be the pet dice. I don't know.
No, they have arrows and
I know, but they're all black, right?
Okay.
And you get 2 white ones that they can represent your pets.
Oh.
Right?
No.
And these are the cards. Exclusive. That's for information on the dice.
Exclusive monsters.
So like, you know, those dice. Because it tells you more bonuses about them. Right?
Yeah. It says steal 1 health die.
Yeah, the reference cards where everybody can see like, oh, what does that mean? And then you're like, oh, that dice, that. You know what I mean? Like those abilities. Here's the characters.
We haven't opened this one, but that's...
Oh, wow. These characters are great. I'd want to paint them.
Character pages. So that's Azure, as you saw, and then this back one says Zaza. Haha! Somebody named the characters Zaza.
Look at the detail on these guys. They're amazing.
You remember an actress like from?
Yeah, let's check with the 2 handlings.
Manny?
Yes.
The character, her name was Zaza.
Zaza, yeah.
Yeah. She's a cute one.
That would be her, right there.
And got some cards.
That's
I think they're character cards.
Yeah, that's the free.
Because that says
That's their abilities. Right, that's their abilities. Yeah, those are really convenient plastic case.
Yeah.
I like that.
And then there's the characters page.
More treasure chests.
More chests.
And then the game.
This is Zaza. We don't. You were saying you had to put characters together.
No.
No, like something like their arms.
Somebody was saying like they're missing the piece in the front of one of the characters. They all look intact. I don't see anything missing. We'd still have to inspect. But now I'm curious because their information pack does not indicate what I had stated because I'm like I could have sworn about 2 games and then I go look at the information pack and I'm just like wait, that's that and that, and then I'm like oh but wait a minute.
Yeah.
There was a finalized information pack in it. Maybe it was there. Yes, I did buy 2 copies of the game.
Pass.
This is all my other bonus shit.
Okay.
I did buy 2 copies of the game. That's awesome.
He had you. There's one that's before this one, right? Where it looks identical to this, like
Yes.
You had to they went into this cave and like all these heroes had to go into this cave to defeat all these bad guys.
Yeah.
It looked very much similar, identical to like this one. The game, what is it?
Oh, I can't remember right now.
Yeah.
Mine's all in Wonderland right now. Passover kid. See, with this, you can use this game with these others.
Yeah.
Like this. With this kit, you can use all the game characters here with these other games.
Oh, Arcadia Quest, that's what it is.
All this is compatible with Arcadia Quest with this. So if I get one of those games, all it's just compatible. And another set.
This is, no, it's...
We got 2 copies of the game.
Oh, yeah, this is identical.
Yeah,
this is the identical one, okay.
So we gave me 2 bonuses.
No, well, yeah, these things.
Yes. All this here, this is all the expansion shit.
Yeah,
right?
But you got 2 of these.
2 of these.
And then 2 games.
So that means, because I have 2 games.
Like 2 main games.
Yeah, 2 main games. Pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
All those extra characters. That's pretty sick, eh? Yeah, very detailed. Look at this guy. And they feel like such a good material too.
These two look like they'd be brothers. Because like they look like they have identical face molds, doesn't it?
Which one? Oh yeah. For all that we know, they could be until we start looking at there's like story info on characters.
Yeah, but like this guy has an closed mouth. Let's see. And this one has an open mouth, but the face looks like very similar.
Like, look at the detail on them. It's impressive. I want to paint these. Shit, these look so good. To paint them would be amazing.
Zaza. I can't remember how to pronounce her. My dad was literally like watching something and he said, "Oh my god, blah blah blah," and said the name because she just recently died.
Yeah, Zaza Bar. She was an interesting character. So like I have two sets. I have multiple.
Is that Owen Pledge 150257? One of two.
Yeah.
Canada.
I gotta check this pack now to see if they're all tinted well. So far, all the characters look good.
Yeah.
I gotta check this pack too. Make sure they're all like looking good.
There's only one extra pack of chests.
Yeah, I can't remember what
extra pack.
They said the chests and the coins are like useless. So I'm like, what do you mean? If you make rules up, a chest can be worth like say 5 coins. Because I have
extra bags.
Because I have 2 copies of the game, I can mix them together and make like crazy versions of the game.
Yeah.
Right. Apparently, it's really easy to make modified rules for this game. Like the 2 copies of the game, I should be the ball. I think that what it was my original pledge, and then when they give a final manager, and in the final manager you can modify what you want. And I was like, okay, then I'll take a second copy, and then I'll get this too, and I'll change. I didn't originally get this. Then I was just like, well, why not get it? You know, it's better than the paper. It'll take a beating, and it looks way cooler on the board.
Yeah.
Right, you know. But my copy looks legit good. I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I think I paid like $200.
Yeah.
Everything. And like, look what I got. I got a shit ton of stuff. I don't think it was 200. I think it was like 190 or something like that. My life well.
We've got Elvis on the team.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I thought that was cool too. The characters are really unique looking, and the details. Yeah, I'm gonna crack open one of the Masmoras. And see what it looks like inside.
Hey, give me the monster dice.
I had to inspect them.
Hey, where's the robot guy? Or is that just supposed? This guy right here.
It's just a monster.
Okay. He would probably have his own.
So people are already selling
TV
this on
on
eBay.
here. One of these.
This comes out in stores in like another 3 months, 4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it'll hit the store shelves.
Well, see right there. There he is.
Yeah, he's a monster.
A robot.
The quality of everything is really impressive. Like, this material is so good. Like, look at this. Like, really impressive. The artwork, everything. I love the way it looks. Roebuck. Very colorful, I love it.
It looks very thick.
Yeah. I gotta go over the rules now.
I don't know what this is.
That's for, you put your counters on it and you see what your levels are.
Oh!
Right, so that you know, like the person who's got the red, their red marker is like, oh, he's level 6. Everyone can see by just looking on the board what level everyone's at.
Wow.
And certain things happen once you reach a certain level.
Okay.
To keep tabs. Oh, here's the original kid. Look at the fro on that guy. He's awesome.
This would be like the entrance?
No, that's a boss.
A boss tile?
Yeah. So you would have the normal tiles, and then
more than likely these.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden you get one of those pop up.
A blank.
And that means
but we don't know what's on the other side because this is not open yet.
I know. But those like level 1 tiles, level 2 tiles. Yeah. Right? But if you get a blank like
this says 4+. And 3 and 5.
Yeah, whatever. We'll get to that. Yeah. If that comes up in the deck when it's all shuffled, that means the person's got to flip over one of these big boys and fit it in.
Yes, but like this is, we don't even know what's on the other side, so we don't even know what floor that is. One of these. Original monster die.
Yeah. Gotta check.
Where'd this go? Where's this go?
It was right there.
Oh. There's moves on her.
No,
look at them.
Like, look, each character on their card on the back gives them their story.
Yeah.
So there's this guy right here, Jay, he's called.
Yeah.
Like, look at him.
These are the character cards. And that's the last card. And that last card here, he just pulled its character. He's just commenting on his bro. They got hearts. This looks like you have to put these on the bottom of your person.
Yeah, so you know what color you are on the board and on the you can see this look.
Yeah.
It just pops on. Looks like
these weird things. What are these for?
That's for this board.
That board.
Right? You know, like 2 people be on the same level and just cap off.
Right? So look, it's a heart shape. Where the hearts go? Ha ha ha.
You gotta read all this. Yes.
Whoa! Wait, a car pack.
Yeah, that's their skills. Look, they even have a gelatinous ooze. See the character.
I didn't see that.
Yeah. These are the ones that come with the game.
It's a gelatinous cube, not ooze. This one actually has a skeleton in it. That thing.
There's a bag to roll from this. It doesn't come.
Nope. Apparently not.
Huh.
What are these for?
Not that it matters anyways, because this one here comes with 2.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But that's so
This
weird.
one doesn't come with one.
No, it doesn't have any dice. But it doesn't come with a bag.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Are these for, like, cards?
Other parts of the game when you add them. Yeah.
Oh, yes. You were opening this.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Cube. Nice stuff.
Apparently it's a really bad card. So,
yeah?
Yeah. Oh, see, I got the plastic ones that replace that.
You mean the cards?
Yeah, I don't need to punch those out. I can just leave them in the board. All I need is this, though.
And these?
No, because
these? Oh, yeah!
High quality ones.
Well, apparently you didn't need that.
Yeah, the torch I'll take out. I'll leave everything else on the board and underneath everything, you know? You know what I mean? I'll leave this underneath all the plastic.
I don't want something popping out. This is a big tile.
Yeah.
See, there's even smaller rooms.
Yeah. And those are the boss rooms.
Well, that's the one boss.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, traps. These are the trap rooms.
It only goes up 2 levels.
Yeah, and then the 3rd level's automatically one of the boss rooms. itching to come out.
Oh, look at these. This one has 2 sides. These two.
Oh, interesting. I definitely can't read it.
This is just a blank one.
Yeah, it's just a blank one.
These are traps and treasures.
These are like curses, and then these are more like cursed rooms, I guess.
But I'm wondering what these ones are, hun. These ones that have like a that look like a ruin piece. These things? I don't know what those mean.
They're just blank rooms. Go into them, nothing happens. Maybe, I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta read that. I don't know. So that box seems to be everything's in order. It doesn't look like anything's missing or anything.
That doesn't even have a number on it. Like, cause this is the back.
I know, but it occurs once you get to the stairs, and it goes to the 3rd floor, and it's that. It's one or the other. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what they said.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this set looks good. I gotta open the other one now and see it's okay. Really impressed with the quality though. Well, these games normally go for $100 by themselves. Doesn't include all this other shit. I got 2 copies of the game. Plus like 2 copies of all the bonuses.
This one looks like the Assassin's Creed character.
Yeah, let me see if Andy's even got something.
It's
let me see.
It's a blade attached to his hand.
Yeah, I guess they don't want to copy it too much. Get in trouble.
Yeah.
It used to be really fun to paint. It's been so long to paint. I don't know. I would need a fresh set of paints.
Duh.
I don't have any more. Really impressive. There's this new technique of painting where you just dip the whole thing in, right? And it just puts a thin layer on it. And then if you want to do certain effects, you paint on marks and then dip it into something else. And it's like it's like that sounds crazy. I'd have to see it in action.
You gonna open these stuff up?
Eventually.
Yeah.
Here's a second copy of the game. Characters look good. They don't look like they're missing. Like something like that I could see breaking by accident, but it looks good.
His hook that looks like it's curved?
Yeah.
Not just like the hook, but it's like bent a little.
I think that some of them are gonna have like little misshapings, but I think that's okay. It adds to some of the character. It's hard to make these things 100% perfect. The detail on it is already pretty impressive. Yeah. I can see what they mean. Like, see, look, there's a back half.
Yeah.
Whatever. I can see maybe by accident a piece not getting on.
Yeah. See, look at this one.
Oh, shit,
that one got bent.
I'm afraid to bend them back.
Don't. Well, I was doing a little wiggling myself, and it's like.
You need a blow dryer, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would work. It would soften due to the heat, and then you can push it and hold it, and then cool it right under cold water, and it's set. I used to do it all the time with other plastic cookers.
Yeah.
It works really good.
Everyone else looked fine.
The detail is so impressive. Like, look at this chick. Like, fuck.
This is another one I noticed when I pulled this out. There's a slight curve in here.
Yeah, I know. Some of them I noticed have it. Obviously, I'm gonna pick the best out of all of them, and then the rest will be like. You'd have to go through every single character.
Yeah, see, this one only has the slightest of curves,
so
but this one is better than the other one.
Yeah, so I'd pick her, obviously. Yeah. Look, the plastic casing has room for everything.
Yeah.
It's pretty impressive. I never bought one of their games before. I just know that they've made like 20 different
games. You have Arcadia Quest.
No, I don't.
I know you do. You had something.
I have the one called Crossmasters. Yeah. Check these real quickly, and then move on to those things. Everything looks like it's in order. I'm going to read how to play this, but maybe we can even try playing tomorrow. Try.
I don't like these kind of games.
I do.
Yes, you do.
I do. I need to get a felt cloth so I can use it as like a game cloth. You know what I mean? Roll it out. They have ones for puzzles.
Like that? Like our...
They have ones for puzzles. I want to get a cloth like that.
Uh-huh. Hey, look. Look at your testicles.
Jesus. What does the back say?
Oh.
That's their story, right?
Yeah. I'd say we have to find something else to keep the cards together, because this is way too tight.
No, not in that.
Pardon?
No, not in that. That's just the way they come.
I know. I'm just saying.
The cards are already popping out.
I'm just saying, like...
Yeah, I know. So they're all coming off.
From that one. That one's
I'm
super excited.
I'm just trying to make sure they're all printed properly, not because I don't want to find out later and I'll be like, shit, it took too long to say something.
Yes.
Like, all of them just popped right out.
Well, looks like you're keeping this one.
Take that out now? It's useless now.
Let's put it down. You gotta go through it anyway and get the best one, so.
Yeah, that's true.
But I like the characters. The characters are like...
The art, the characters
figures.
are great. Beautiful, like craftsmanship. I would buy another one of their games just purely on craftsmanship. It's great.
The hook guy, he actually has a splattering of paint on his face.
Oh yeah. And this guy goes to support this YouTube channel called Watch It Played. And that's where you can watch all sorts of games being played by this guy and his son. Luke just, when he rolls the dice, tends to be extremely lucky. So they made Luke the Lucky as a character. This is a $10 separate thing. If you pay $10, you got this, and the money went towards that YouTube channel support. They have like 100 videos of all different games they've played. So if you don't know how to play it, you can sit there, watch them play it, and on top of that, you get to see if you might like the game or not. Watching it, right? Because that's how I figured out I like some games. Here's Luke. There's only one Luke, and it looks like a good Luke.
Well, it has to be because you only got one.
I know. So he can stay in his nice protective shell. We'll figure out how to get him in the game somewhere now safely. Okay, and this is his information card.
He just looks like a little kid, like waifu.
Yeah.
He looks like a little waifu.
This game has a complete waifu feel.
I can't get this one back in. Stupid bosses. It's in there. Your coat. I can't do it. I'll have to go on the bottom.
I just put it there for now.
Yes, because I just wanted to look at them.
Okay. This goes in there.
Hey!
Luke ain't lucky there.
No.
Okay, and then there's this card with his info and his 2 skills that you can upgrade and get.
Yeah.
So he looks in order. There's so many characters to play too, and so many ways to play it. The game is quite replayable. Let's open this right here. A monster box.
They're all like shiny.
They got a nice look to them. Much higher quality than the cards.
Monster box.
Just the info pack. More bosses, I guess.
They've got multiple cards. Like.
It's for all the players, so
this
way you can
side
just
screen
review it.
and red stuff.
So you know what monsters are what.
This is from this box. Lord Blinkerton. Where's that one? Kanha. Kanha! It's a flippin' mummy.
Well, those look good.
And
And
got more monster dice.
the 2 monster bags. It's perfect. You need that.
Apparently there's only 2 monsters. Because, like, there's 5 cards here, and, like, literally 2 of them are identical. So all we have is Lord Blinkerton and Kanha. Like, these are the boss cards. They're just standard coffin here. Here's their boss rooms.
Everything fits conveniently in your box because once you take them out of the card, look, they fit. As you watch.
Yeah. That's it right there.
Look at that. Like, that's pretty amazing.
And then it's got the token.
The tokens. Right there. Like, that's pretty good.
I'll take this out first. Gotta put these in here. Oh, where'd the dice go? Where'd... Oh my gosh, we lost something already.
You got the dice. You're the one looking at them.
Oh my god.
Right there.
You gotta go there. And there. You gotta take them out of the bag.
I know. You can leave them in the bag.
Well, I was trying to put the thing on top of it, and it wasn't, like, going flat. There. And then I go there. So look, so nice. But you might as well just put these in with the main game.
Yeah. Whichever game it is.
On the floor. Thank you.
These are like an adventure kit, new characters.
Adventure set. You get a panda. And look at them boobies. Oh, dude, the dinosaur. Oh, she has the dinosaur.
It's a dwarf. Oh, really nice. Look at that guy.
He's just the smallest one I've seen. He's got wings.
Does he?
Well, sort of.
Oh, it's like his helmet.
Yeah. Yeah, look. She's got a dinosaur head on there. And as far as I can... I thought it might talk. But she might be able to magic it. Panda! Rodus MK. Wow, this is a robot. It actually has a robot name. Gorka! Ha, Manny. Guess what the dwarf's name is? I said guess.
Ooh, I don't know.
Stop. Literally, that's the dwarf's name.
This is a conversion kit.
Good thing I brought the third over.
Let me use the knife. Yeah. These are the blades you don't have a big blunt.
Hey!
You don't have a big blunty thing, you can just catch it and then get it.
Yeah, it had a bigger thing and it just pulled it. You like it? So apparently only up to 5 people can play. At a time, yes. To play the game, you can only have 5. Some difficulties there, hun? I got the cards open with pair of blunty scissors.
These are really good. There you go.
Apparently you get 2 cards per character.
Yeah. And as you level them up, you level one side or the other or both.
No, you get, and there's 4.
Yeah, like this. So when you play the game, these 2 cards are going to go like this.
Yeah.
When you get to level 1,
Yeah.
you can't remember one. There's a certain level you get to, then you get to raise a skill.
Yeah.
Right. So you get to go like when you go to raise a skill, you look at one or the other.
Yeah.
Right? You pull them both up.
Mm-hmm.
See which one you like, and then put the other one down.
Oh.
Right. Because you just leveled up, so you got
Okay.
you pick which one.
Yeah.
Next level, you can lift that up and then lift that up. See which one you like, and then you pick one. Right?
Okay.
If you like that one, then you bring that back down. If you like that one, then you bring that one back down, and now that's maxed out.
Yes.
Now you have no choice and have to go up this side and to use that one.
Yeah.
So that's how the game works.
The thing.
Yes.
I did. Yeah, when you did play the thing, I did kind of see.
Not too complex on how to level. It's you get a little bit of choice. In the end.
As dwarves go, stumps about as stereotypical as they come.
There's a weird package for this. Yeah, like look. This is not going to work for putting it back in the box.
This is not going to work. It don't work.
It probably goes on top of everything.
Wait, these were in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then these gotta go first.
Yeah. Something like that.
Oh.
Or it goes under. It's too big like that.
Yeah, it don't fit. Or it can't go underneath. It's like all that fits properly.
Huh. It does have to go like this. Because there's a cutaway in the plastic to allow it.
Yeah.
See?
Well, let's fit it in the box.
This is a bit of an unusual setup, but like you can see in the plastic that that's how it goes.
Yes, well, let's fit it in the box first.
Yeah. Well, actually, just sit it in the box.
That's what I meant.
Put it in the box.
What am I doing?
This is just going to keep sealed. So if I ever get...
Looks like it.
If I ever get this Arcadia Quest or one of these other ones, right, then this will come in handy. I couldn't get all these other characters.
You didn't even show the camera. That's what this is for.
It's all sealed up. You can't really see anything that way. I'm not opening it.
I'm like, these ones? Dude's actually growing trees from his head. And he's called Oak. That's how these cards are.
And there's the chipset.
Might as well just leave it in there.
No, I like that packaging. There's no need with that. These promo dice don't have any cards. I have to look to see how that works.
Yeah.
Adding more variety. Oh, I can. We already have a set of these.
Yes, they're just extra.
So that this way I can modify by taking 2 of the other ones out and adding 2 more of the ones in. Absolutely.
You can just have more certain characters.
Anyway, that's pretty cool. I've got to learn how to play. I have so much treasure chests. Why didn't I get more treasure chests?
They just gave you an extra bag.
No, I should have got an extra set of dice so that everybody has their own set. Right, red, blue, green. I could have done that instead. And I'm just like, fuck, why did I get extra treasure? Where are all those treasure chests I have?
Oh, these are just the standard. It's these ones up here.
No, I don't need all those. I should have gotten those. I should have gotten more of the dice.
Yeah.
Everybody could have had their own colored set of dice.
I guess so. Open. He's Mr. Sticky over here. Oh, let's have more of your soup.
It's gone, right?
Oh.
I is so good.
He's called the Iron Knight.
Ooh, this is damaged.
That card?
Corner slightly.
Yeah.
We'll see. I'm gonna get the cost out off. Maybe it's just the cost.
Yeah. Manny, how would you feel if a Tribble came attacking at you?
A Tribble?
Yes.
Not very scared.
Well, then you'll be very scared of Fluffy. Fluffy! There's a sister of pain and a sister of pleasure.
Ooh.
There's a whole card dedicated to demons, like the Red Devil Demon. Oh, and Cerberus.
Everybody knows his crazy ability.
Mm-hmm. His name is Travis. Almost identical to Elvis.
Seems like everyone's got this one thing. If you spend a shield and a sword, you'll get one shield and 2 attacks.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like.
You. What? Shit.
Travis.
Yeah.
A little less conversation, a little more hacking, please.
What?
Sounds like a word. Darling, right? She always just said that. She's
Yeah.
like, and do you like my ears? Or they're not simply pearls?
That's all good. Exclusive monsters! Dun, 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 dun. Alright, I want them cards.
They all have so much little things you can do about them.
This character makes me think of a vampire character, part of the castle something. It's a very, very animated video game. For the life of me, I can't remember what it is.
Castlevania?
Pardon?
Castlevania?
There we go. Castlevania. Yeah, it's a dark-haired vampire thing.
I don't know.
Person.
I haven't played them forever. They've changed the characters.
I wasn't exactly talking to you, I was talking to them.
To who? You're so mean.
No, you're just a big sicky poop head right now. Manny. Okay, so while I finish opening these plastic things up, can you let the world know how you feel about your unboxing? Your first time on my channel, and you're not even interacting with anyone. Just me. You're the one who talks about.
I know. I'm just like, hey, my knife. Where is it?
No. It's on Toto.
Oh, I'm like, my head's still in the clouds.
Yes. Behind. You're gonna tell people how you like your stuff.
My first unboxing was pretty awesome.
Yes.
So it took though. Let me see. I put my initial payment.
When did you? When did
9th.
we? Yes.
That
when
was
did last
$155
year? Last year.
2016 March 9th. And then we did a finalized thing at the end. We had until the end of June to do it. This finalized thing where you can revise what you want, and that's when I said I wanted 2 games, and I changed what I wanted, so whatever. The only thing I thought about was the colored dice, so everyone gets their own colored dice.
Mhm.
Oh, well.
Very happy with everything you got in here?
Yep.
Okay.
Considering it's probably going to cost a fortune to buy this in the stores.
Yeah.
My only gripe was that I paid in June, like, it was $155 at first.
Uh-huh.
And then I added another, like, I don't know.
Entire game?
It was like another 50 or 60. It was like another $70 on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I think there was another 65, that's what it was.
Yeah.
Changed a couple things, and then...
Oh, there's even more! Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that these minor monsters were two-sided.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! We literally have, like, almost a copy of Maleficent. Look at that. Her name is Helen.
Yeah, Helen. I see.
And Frank. We have a Frankenstein. Eh. Oh, okay. Nope. Oh, look at this. We have Ivan. We have Igor, basically. Dr. Spider, which, you know, is Dr. Frankenstein. And a Tulu. That weird creature that I can't even, for the life of me, pronounce. Thank you. Oh, this. Okay, so we've got all of the, these weird creatures right here. We've got nameless, heartless, frowny faceless, surprised faceless, serious faceless, and smiley faceless. Funny face. That's fun. Alright, so that was all he got in his box, and you might be more in these type of videos, not just in silly vlogs where he is silly. And
Taking one of those boxes,
yeah. And as he said, these will be in not everything, but like the main part of the game. And they slowly will probably bring out these expansion packs slowly in store, and you can buy it yourself. If you like this type of game, I certainly don't.
Yeah. Cool Mini or not, that's the company. They've made like 20 other games. And,
yeah.
Really successful. They regularly break $1 million for their like.
You're gonna have to decide which main box you're gonna put those in.
Well, for the time being. I have to stick on the monster thing.
The monster set. So, yeah, if you liked, this was a very unconventional unboxing. This is not very traditional of an unboxing.
That was traditional.
It's more like more interactive and like showing on screen. Like you would be showing more stuff on screen and talking to like viewers. Yes, it's more like, you know, interactive a little. Yes, and if you liked it, you can hit the like button over there, and you can leave your comments down below, but just don't be nasty, because we don't need nastiness in the world, because we already have Trump as president.
We don't.
What?
America does.
Doesn't matter. We have Trump as president.
We have to deal with it.
Yes.
Because we're the neighbors.
Yes.
Your neighbor's house is on fire. We can't just post there. Yeah, they're okay.
So yeah, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, hit that big, right here, right in this general area, the big red subscribe button down there by my picture if it's still like that, for more hauls, unboxing, unbagging, because some things come in a bubble wrap manila envelope or plastic baggy wrap thingy. Book reviews, vlogmas, random vlogs, and random videos that I have no idea where to categorize. Alright, so he's gonna get going because he's hungry and he is sick and he needs to be back in bed. Because literally, he had a fever and an infection in his throat, so he needs to go get better. Because he needs to go to work on Friday.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to get going, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!